All right, here's a quick tutorial on how to operate this wood stove. Obviously, get your paper in there. Need some small kindling pieces. Approximately this size. Small ones. Hopefully this video doesn't offend anyone. If they already know how to do this, it's fine, but I've had renters who struggle. So yeah, get your kindling in there. A couple quick things on the stove here. This little valve here is a airflow. It's kind of a damper, a smaller damper. Pulled all the way towards you is fully open, pushed all the way in is closed. This is the main damper back here. It needs to be in the up position. It's operated with this finger push here, and then you just grab it and up and down. Here's your temperature gauge. You want to operate between 400 and 600 degrees. Once you are at 500 degrees for like 5 to 10 minutes, your blower will turn on. Here's your blower. It's just you twist it to turn it on and off. All the way left is off. All the way to the right is the low setting. It is got a temperature sensor right there. As soon as this back part of the stove gets hot, it turns on. The blower is imperative to successful heating of this residence. You also have baseboard heaters as well. So those are an important part. But this stove, when done properly, will definitely heat the residence. This is your ash pan. You grab it by the handle right here to pull it out, lift it out, dispose of the ashes in a metal container or outside away from the barn. You can throw them anywhere in the field out there. Keep this ash pan closed. There's a handle right down here. You gotta kind of shove it closed and then the handle up. I usually leave the stove door open a little bit like this. It helps pull the draft. And so then when you kind of got a little fire going there, you can add some more kindling as needed. And then shut the lid. You can load on the top of this stove or through the front door. You need to get a hot burn going for, at least 15-20 minutes. And then when you have a nice coal bed, you can shut the door and close this damper down, and then you'll have a slow burn, and that's pretty much it. So that's the stove tutorial. All right.